Out in this motherfucker.
Hey, Bumpy.
What up?
Make sure they know who you are. Tell them who you are.
My name is Freddie Fox, aka Bumpy Knuckles. And if you don't know, you don't know right now. How many people miss raw hip hop, raw lyrics, raw rhymes, raw hip hop without all the bells and whistles and shit? Y'all ready to get busy? Let's get busy in this bitch then.
It's called hot potato, baby.
Load 'em up, cock 'em up.
Yeah.
Load 'em up, cock 'em up.
Beats and lyrics.
Load 'em up, cock 'em up. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. You ready, K?
You ready?
You ready, Chop?
Load 'em up.
Put your ass in the air.
Let's go.
Let's go. Mic check, 1, 2. Jump it up. Wanna be fat. Wanna rock, wanna be fat. But you might have to fight. Yeah, there's no escape from the terror zone. You know I'm nice when I'm busting fat rhymes on the metronome. MCs never pass the mic through the box calls. Once I bust a fat rhyme, you be a has-was. I beat you down on stage when the battle's over. You'll be leaving your show with a hearse Nova. I slip an answer 3 times and I'm back again. Cause on my way downstate, they had me strapped in. But when I reached New Jersey and I loosed the chain, I went and bought me a tech. Now I'm wild and sick. I wanna hunt for a rapper, wanna turn singer. I got my beat up down back and an itchy finger. So if you nice with the mic and you wanna flip, I'm the rap bounty hunter and it's time to get your ass whipped. Yeah, I'm coming from the street top. And please fight back so you can get dropped. It's time to see who's nice and who's gonna really rap. I start the pace, I step up. You wanna be a match? I'm not trying to shake the water away together, but I can pass the mic like a hot potato. 1, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4.
Oh my God. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Yo, boy.
I'm gonna tell you something. Hold on.
You see?
Hold on.
We
No,
spit that shit.
hold on. It was beats and lyrics you have to understand. Hold on. I just want to tell you something because I want you to do something off, like I want you to rhyme to it. Like, we have tequila. Look, we have a song.
Let's do it. Let's do tequila for me. OGology. Let's do it.
We have a crew called OGology. It's Bumpy Knuckles, it's myself, and Trick from Detroit. And we have a song that's featuring Raekwon from the Wu-Tang Clan.
Yeah.
And we vowed to kidnap the culture back.
We want it.
You feel what I'm saying?
We want it. You can't say I'm tired of listening to this shit. I'm tired of, but you gotta know it's really out here.
Y'all gotta
it's really out here.
You gotta know a dude like this. Hold on, let me tell you real things.
Tell 'em.
How us as people supposed to do. When my brother Tupac got locked up in Rikers Island, right? Bumpy Knuckles right here from New York called the homies down in Rikers Island. And guess what? Anybody had a problem because he was beefing with the other homie, which is still our brother in Brooklyn, he had no problems. Put your hands in the air, put your hands in the air. Boom. Yo, we taking this back. Yo, this shit here is cool. This shit right here, we taking it back. Oh boy, no strife. We got the gear. Right next to the heat and the millimeters. Check with the check. Covenant. I like the Adidas. I'm about to get scoodles and poodles and my poodles and poodles. I'm about to say my hits and hitters are winners, shit quitters. Plus my Texas bros down in Mexico. Adios, Bangers, put up the thing. With El Chapo, Trump's address from these capos. Niggas neck, the blitz. I hit from Bumpy Knuckles. Trigger traction, trick. The hood is hot, bullet with motive. Bullets pops are hot like hip-hop and top. This ain't an itty-bitty bang-bang. I got no kids to give. Anybody killers with my cousins and relatives. Red, brown, and blue. Just know you fucked up. The way back, boy, hip-hop back. Pull the trunks out.
Men that go war, violence in the streets. I'm not like all these other niggas lying on their beats for the sake of being honest. Lyrics on Trump, I spent for money. You short my bread, they find you in the dump. I'm from the block where niggas jump. Your coins on your man and I'm in your face. And you can catch a fair one if you want. Say my name, you feel like hard. Big shooter from the old school. One of my bottom bitches was your arm. Yo,
it's how I got no kids to give. Anybody killers with my cousins and relatives. Red, brown, and blue. Just know you fucked up. The boom back, boy, hip hop back. Now pull the trunks up.
Salute Jersey. I love y'all, man. Word up.
Right, y'all.
Give it up for Freddie Fox, Bobby
Yes, y'all been asking when people gonna rhyme again. When people gonna say lyrics.
Whoop, whoop.
Make you feel something. What we doing next? Because guess what? They told us like we in Jersey, so you know we got a lot of surprises. We got a lot of Jersey MCs.
We got a lot of Jersey MCs.
We got a lot of everything. What you want to do, bro?
We got some special guests in the house tonight.
You right.
And I wish Lords of the Underground and Redman was here. Real North New Jersey natives,
Hold on,
man.
explain it right. You know how we do. We start like, why they ain't here? Shit, they couldn't come. No, they overseas and they working. It's like, okay, we'll be there next time.
But here we have a young lady who's a native North born and bred female MC. You all know her. She goes by the name of Miss Nana.
Miss Nana.
Her father, Big Sam, been
Big
raising
Sam.
her. Let's go, Nana. What you got? What you got, Kane? Let's go.